presence. The final connection is visual. When the 5.5-foot standard-size silicone man doll looks back at the world, the illusion
Using a specialized rooting tool, the artist begins attaching hair strands. This manual
The liquid journey ends here. Within these pressurized shells, the polymer has fused into a single, resilient form.
True realism is a fusion of chemistry and art to construct the 5.5-foot anatomical polymer.
Nature is never a single tone. We refine a spectrum of unique hues to ensure that every
The invisible enemy of realism is air. By purging every bubble, we guarantee the 5.5.
Before the form comes the frame. We engineer an articulated steel skeleton for the 5.5. Strength meets fluidity. Every joint is calibrated to mimic the natural ergonomics of the human standard. All
right, set it down gently right here. Watch the alignment on the left side. Looks good. Start with the air hose.
The mold is our template of reality. Captured within these shells are the microscopic details that will define the
The finish on these first 5 is exceptional. We are ahead of schedule.
Acknowledged. We will begin the transfer process shortly.
Lower slightly to the left.
Got it.
Securing the pins now.
Precision is our core. By perfectly centering the internal frame, we guarantee the 5.5-foot anatomical. The foundation is set. The liquid is pure, the frame is strong, and the 5.5-foot anatomical.
The liquid journey ends here. Within these pressurized shells, the polymer has fused into a single, resilient form.
Ready, lift. Clear the mold. Set it down soft right there.
A clean foundation is essential. This ritual of purity ensures that the subsequent layers of art will bond permanently to the
Notice the organic fluidity here. Since there are no robotics, it moves with a very natural weight.
Our philosophy is rooted in biology, not electronics. Without the rigidity of robotics, the 5-point final check of the form. The 5-point high-foot standard-size silicone mandal is structurally sound.
Realism is a science of layers. To perfect the 5.5-foot standard-size silicone mandal, we do not
drills. Using a specialized rooting tool, the artist begins attaching hair strands. This manual
Identity is built strand by strand. By hand rooting the hair into the silicone, we provide the 5.5-foot. The final connection is visual. When the 5.5-foot standard-size silicone mandal looks back at the world,
the texture here seems slightly uneven, perhaps a little more blending.
Yes, I see it. I'll smooth that area right now.
Precision is our only standard. By hand finishing every detail, we ensure the 5-point.
Artistry meets industry. After weeks of manual labor, the 5.5-foot standard-size silicone mandal
The final layer of reality is the wardrobe. For the 5.5-foot standard size silicone man doll, fashion is...
Okay, lift the arm higher. Like this? Yes, now smooth the velvet here.
From a liquid state to a masculine icon, the 5.5-foot standard size silicone man doll every angle is a masterpiece. The 5.5-foot standard size silicone man doll. Quality is the cornerstone of our reputation. Before a single 5.5-foot standard size silicone man doll leaves the facility.
Inventory confirmed. Routing to quality control stage 2.
Our network is vast, but our focus is singular. From the heart of China to the world, the 5.5
As one journey begins, another continues. The factory never sleeps as we strive. From start to finish, the 5.5-foot standard size silicone man doll is a testament to the harmony of science